dive into the digital realm with our innovative SEO Learning Services website. Today, we're thrilled to unveil our transformative SEO educational journey. Get ready to master SEO and uncover the treasures of our platform in the next few minutes. Let's get this party started. Allow me to introduce you to Jeremy, a powerhouse in the realm of SEO. With his remarkable expertise, cutting-edge strategies, and no-nonsense approach, he has revolutionized the way we perceive search engine optimization, and is in contact with professional AI SEOs and SEO experts from around the globe. His website boasts an extensive array of SEO services and courses, each meticulously tailored to catapult your digital presence to new heights, and give you value while asking for nothing in return. Jeremy's SEOLearningServices.com presents a broad portfolio of services meeting the demands of contemporary entrepreneurs. From SEO AI-enhanced strategies, free SEO extensions, tools, and more, he aims to teach SEO and digital marketing in a way that gives you actionable strategies to use right away. SEO Learning Services has all of the tools and strategies that you need, both paid and free, to succeed in business. See, Jeremy is an SEO professional with an impressive career spanning over 8 years and digital marketing career starting in the days of MySpace, and has spent a lot of money on various tools so you don't have to. Jeremy also has built a solid track record working in various sectors and for various agencies over the years, which speaks volumes about the expansiveness and intensity of his knowledge and use of SEO. His portfolio includes a wide array of businesses, from eateries and life coaches, ma and PA shops, salon professionals, shipping and cargo companies, orthodontic and dental clinics, to residential homes for the elderly, medical CBD clinics, and specialized e-commerce Shopify stores. His vast experience and professional competence make him a promising contributor to any industry or business. Conclusively, Jeremy has lent his expertise to a number of businesses over the years, just for the mere purpose of helping people succeed in their business endeavors. Jeremy places individuals above earnings, unlike most old-school marketing companies or out-of-date professionals. He provides a clear, no-nonsense approach, people over profits. And now, he is offering an educational journey like no other, supplying numerous types of study resources to beginners and expert SEOs alike, including ebooks, visual tutorials, personalized SEO consulting, SEO evaluations, webinars, and real-life actionable SEO tips and tools you can use now, provided in video lessons led by Jeremy himself. If you're a novice or aiming to enhance your abilities, we've got something suitable for all levels. He also provides both free and paid services that strive to fit all budgets and skill levels. Within this constantly transforming digital realm, we endorse a progressive AI-driven methodology, and Jeremy is at the forefront, willing to share his in-depth and innovative AI SEO workflows and break down complex SEO subjects into easy-to-understand lessons for you. Jeremy, the founder of Innovative Media Solutions, has partnered with nonprofits, industry-standard software companies, and YouTubers with the same SEO mission, to foster an incubator-like platform that aims at helping people rather than only focusing on draining bank accounts. His platform is committed to making SEO knowledge available to everyone, dismantling the barriers that exist in this industry and opening the floodgates. We're not just focused on learning, we aim at achieving tangible results and a real return on investment with proof of results as well. Something most SEOs are embarrassed or shameful of and not willing to share, because they haven't had any successes and want your money with your education and learning be of secondary concern. Again, our approach is the exact opposite. With efficient SEO and online strategies developed over nearly a decade of industry knowledge and expertise, we guarantee that your time is invested wisely. Jeremy doesn't waste his time and never wastes clients, students, or those looking to learn SEO either. Seize this opportunity and get in on the ground floor with our free SEO learning services. Start a journey with us and save money and time while gaining insightful knowledge and actual no BS SEO. After joining our free membership area and free courses, you'll also have the amazing opportunity to utilize our complimentary consultations with Jeremy, offered for free, one per person. These are meant to be exploration sessions rather than sales-based calls to further educate and help you grow your organic reach online. Time is critical, and not implementing these strategies is doing harm to your website and business online. Head over to our website immediately and commence your SEO journey today, or simply click below on YouTube or on our website and start your SEO journey today. You can easily enroll in our membership area, purchase courses, start a course for free, or directly contact Jeremy for monthly or hourly digital marketing and SEO services and guidance. We believe in providing SEO solutions that cater to everyone. Whether you're a small business owner dipping your toes in the SEO waters for the first time, or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to ramp up your online presence, we have something SEO related for everyone. We understand the struggles of starting out, which is why we offer a range of free services to help get you on your feet. These include insightful blog posts, free webinars, and a beginner's guide to SEO fundamentals course made by Jeremy and free of charge to you today and into the future. For those who don't have the time to learn a new industry, we offer paid services that provide a more comprehensive, specific, and in-depth approach. We have also partnered with or are affiliates of many SEO tools, software, and professionals. This all allows us to offer special deals, lifetime access with just one payment tools, and other discounts you'll want to look out for and try out for yourself by signing up and enrolling today. We must say, don't let the term paid services scare you. We pride ourselves on catering to all budgets. We have a variety of plans from basic to premium, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone and tools that are free forever for you to use today to enhance your online presence. So whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, we have a plan, class, or tool for you. Start your SEO journey with Jeremy, and together, we'll reach new heights for your business and share in the glory of successful SEO education implemented in the real world.